Imagine you are at a friend's house and they ask you to grab a whisk.
And you have no idea what that is.
Well, today we are going to learn kitchen vocabulary. And for that, we are going to show you what we have in our own kitchen here, okay? Before we begin, remember, don't use subtitles the first time you watch the video, okay? Let's see how much you can understand without subtitles, okay? So turn off the subtitles for the first time. Then if you did not understand something, you can re-watch it with subtitles so you can catch what you didn't, hear before. Let's begin.
Let's do it.
Let's begin by telling you that we are right now in Belgium and we are renting this house.
Yeah. So it comes with a small but adequate kitchen. This kitchen is small, but not tiny, and it's not big, but it's big enough for Cynthia and I.
Just for two people.
Just for two people.
The first thing you're going to notice, no cabinets.
Nope.
Okay?
Yeah, the first thing you're going to notice was the kitchen is small, and there's no cabinets. There's no cabinets up here. And there's only drawers beneath the countertops. Okay? So no cabinets, but that's okay. We got plenty of drawers underneath the countertops.
So that's all the organization we have. Now, the kitchen comes with an island.
Which is just a counter separated from the wall, right? And in this particular island, we have our sink and with drawer space underneath it. And if you'll notice, the countertops are made of marble.
Now, we can call this countertop or just counter.
Or just a counter, yeah. It can be called either or, right? All right. And then over here, we have a microwave. A microwave. The microwave is used for warming up food, cooking meals, whatever we need to do.
So another way to say warm up is heat up, okay? Heat up, warm up.
Yep. Heat up the dish, warm up the dish, yeah.
The next thing is?
Stovetop. The stovetop, which this one's induction.
And we don't have an oven.
No oven.
As you can see, there are drawers.
No oven.
So there's no oven.
And you might see also, like, where's the refrigerator? Well, actually, that's in the pantry, but we're not going to talk about that. But we have a refrigerator, all right? And next to the stovetop is a cutting board, which we use to cut things, dice things, chop things, okay? And on top of that, we keep our very important, very, very important coffee machine, coffee maker, coffee machine, and our electric kettle for boiling hot water.
So electric kettle.
Electric kettle, yeah. These are a must-have, right? You got to have an electric kettle. And the coffee machine. Okay,
now we're going to move on to other stuff that is in our kitchen drawers.
Yeah.
So first thing first, this is a
fork. Fork.
Okay. Now, if we have two
forks.
Then we have a
spoon. A spoon. Yeah.
Okay, spoon. And if we have two
spoons.
Then we have a
knife. A butter knife to be exact. Yeah.
And if we have two
knives.
Knives, okay? Now, there are different types of knives, right?
Right. We have one that we use to cut bread. Bread. It's got serrated edge. So this is to cut bread. And then another knife, kitchen knife, we use to chop and cut vegetables and fruits.
Now, this is not serrated.
No, it's just a sharp edge. Yeah.
Sharp edge. Usually we call this what? A
butter knife.
Butter knife. Okay. It's not really.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's for spreading stuff, right? These items together are called silverware. So when you're at the restaurant and they forget to put these on your table, you ask for a set of silverware. Another
thing we use to cut is
Very
this.
important, very important. It's a pizza cutter.
Mhm.
Pizza cutter.
Pizza cutter.
Yeah, don't
Okay?
leave home without it.
Okay, then we have something. Do you know what that is?
What do you think that is, huh? This is to take the core out of an apple.
Mm-hmm.
You could put it in there, pull out the
So-
core, and then throw it away.
It's
So-
easier to cut after you take the core out.
Right. What do you think you call these where you're from? Let us know in the comments.
Mm-hmm. Do you even use one of those?
Yeah.
I mean, not everybody uses it.
Now, just as important as the pizza cutter, the bottle opener for wine. And what do you use this to take out of the wine bottle? You use it to take out the cork. Cork. There you go. Pretty important. And we know there's different types. That's the one that we use. Another thing that we have here is a funnel. It's a little silicone funnel, right? When you have to pour liquid into a bottle or something. There you go. It's a funnel. This one collapses. We use it. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Funnel. So
here we are.
Yep.
You are at your friend's house and they ask you for a whisk.
Yeah.
This is what you.
That's
are
a
supposed
whisk.
to
These are cooking utensils we're going to start going over with.
Okay.
And this is a
whisk. And a whisk is used to mix. Okay?
Yeah.
Mix. Or whisk.
Yeah, whisk. Mix.
A mixture. Okay? So for your next cake.
Yeah. I guess, you know what this is? It's a ladle for soups. So when you're cooking soup, you can ladle the soup into the bowl. Yeah. Ladle.
So the next thing we have is a
Potato masher. Yeah.
is used to mash potatoes. Okay?
Yeah.
And we make mashed potatoes.
Yep. Love mashed potatoes. Yeah. And then we also have common, right? Spatulas.
And these spatulas are made of wood.
Wooden spatulas.
There you go. These are wooden spoons.
Large wooden spoons used for stirring stuff while we cook it.
So they are made of
Wood.
The next thing we have are this. Do you know what these are? What are they? They are
Tongs.
Don't confuse the spelling of tongues with
The tongue.
the tongue.
Yeah.
Okay?
It's different.
Different spelling.
There's
okay? Tongues.
Okay.
All together, these are called
Cooking utensils.
utensils.
There you go. Here's some other items that are in our kitchen. We have a collapsible.
What is this? Do you guys know what this is? Yes? No?
It is a
Colander.
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 You drain pasta. You drain things when you cook.
Same thing. Don't confuse the spelling with calendar.
And I like it because it collapses nice and flat. Yeah. Another
Next.
thing. This is a casserole dish. A casserole dish. You put casseroles in there. Of course, this is a small one, but you can use it to serve a casserole or a dish in at the table. Yeah. You can cook with it.
And something that we all have in our kitchens everywhere in the world are Tupperware.
Yeah.
Okay? Or container.
Yeah. Storage container with a lid.
Yeah. Okay? This is a lid.
Yeah. You got to have those, right? You got to have that.
The ones that your mom will chase you if you don't bring them back.
Or you could use an old butter container.
True. The next thing that is very important in any kitchen.
Yep. You have to have a frying pan. A frying pan. This is a stainless steel frying pan.
Now, sometimes they don't call it frying pan. They just say pan.
Yeah, they call this, or just hand me the pan. Hand me that frying pan or the pan, right? And then you also have a small pot to cook vegetables and whatnot in. Soups, things like that.
With a
lid.
We said that before for the Tupperware. Now, this is a
bigger pot. Yeah. Made for pasta. Normally to boil pasta, cook in it. Yeah.
Yes. Make a soup.
Yeah.
Yes. So, and we know the word pot is used for other things, but right now we're in the kitchen. Okay. The next things that we have in our kitchen
or mixing bowls. This is a stainless steel mixing bowl. We also have a glass mixing bowl that we can use to mix stuff in or serve stuff on a table, yeah.
and
And then we have a larger wooden bowl used for salads or larger dishes, yeah. We like it. I like the way it feels, but it's made of wood, yeah. There we go.
And the next thing that you have to have.
You have to have these things, right? You have a dinner plate.
So a plate, right? A plate for your dinner.
And then a smaller plate, right? Maybe for the salad that's coming along with the meal.
Maybe for dessert.
Yeah, so it's a smaller plate, a larger plate, and a bowl, yeah? To eat cereal or soups.
Now, we said this is a bowl, this is a bowl.
Yeah,
The biggest difference is what?
Size.
Size,
The bigger
okay?
the bowl, yeah?
And of course the use, right?
Yeah,
because you're not going to mix a salad in
Yeah.
this, you're going to mix a salad in
I probably won't be serving you a soup in a bowl like this. No, probably not. Probably not. All right, next let's move on to what's in the other drawers, and we have a measuring cup. A measuring cup. And this one's made out of glass, and it's got the units of measurement here, so you can measure what you need to mix, right?
Yes.
Measuring.
It could be for liquid, it could be for powder, it could be flour.
Whatever you need, right? So now let's move on to cups. Coffee cup.
Okay, a coffee
cup, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can put coffee and tea in there, right? So coffee cup, yeah.
The next thing we have is a
glass.
Glass.
And this one's made out of
glass.
Glass, right?
Okay.
But they can also be made out of metal.
Okay, or stainless steel.
Or this, stainless steel is a metal, right? All right, and plastic.
Plastic.
Yeah, nice.
Okay. And what do you do when you set your glass down on the table? You use a
coaster.
Okay.
Coaster, so you don't mark up the table, right? Coaster.
So yes, you don't mark up the table. You don't, the glass doesn't
sweat on the table.
Okay, and you get everything wet.
And then many of you, when you have to go to work or leave the house and you want to take your coffee, you have like a little drinking thermos that you put your coffee in and drink it.
Okay, so we hope you learned a couple of new words. We don't have a lot in this kitchen because, as we said, we are renting.
And it's just Cynthia and I, and we're pretty simple when it comes to eating. But are there any items that you have in your kitchen you might want to share with us? Leave it in the comments below.
Yes. And yes, let us know if you have stuff that we don't have. You probably do.
Right.
And
if you were able to understand the whole conversation without the
subtitles.
Right. Great. But if you need to go back and watch it with the subtitles, go ahead. So you can learn the vocabulary.
And let us know if you have any questions.
Yeah.
Okay. We are here to answer them.
Yeah. And if there's anything else you would like to see.
Okay. So don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down.
Yeah,
it's
let us
okay.
know.
Both help.
Yeah.
And leave a comment and share it with somebody that needs to learn maybe some kitchen vocabulary. Okay.
All right.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.